Can just welcome back. So this is a Dolphin test with the Kirin 990 device. Overall, this video is can and how the Dolphin will run on Huawei Mate 30, Huawei View 30, Huawei Mate Pad Pro, Huawei Nova 6. Altogether, all these devices have Kirin 990 chipsets. So you can see here, this is on higher than 1080p 33x resolution over the Dolphin emulator, and this is the official Dolphin build, and it is better than the MMG. Trust me, don't download the MMG, just try download the official build of the Dolphin emulator for Kirin chipsets. So far, you probably know on my YouTube channel that it seems that they have better versions for the Kirin chipsets and for the Exynos chipsets altogether. Let's go, running really smoothly, also using the screen recorder, so you can see by yourself how smooth and how good this is. The Kirin 990, really a surprise in my opinion.
¡Un forastero!